Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I want to wish my subscribers happy new year. Thanks for being a part of 2024, and guys, I'm hoping to see more of you in 2025. Guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make this beautiful Clasp frame purse. Make sure you watch this video till the end to get the full details. So guys, this is our frame. First of all, I'm going to measure the frame from the left side all the way to the right side. And guys, my frame is 13.5 inches. Moving on guys, the body of our bag, the height is 12 inches and the width is 14.5 inches. So I added 1 inch to the size of my frame. So guys, I'm working with a leather material. If you are making this with a fabric material, make sure you add wadding to make the fabric thicker. Next, I'm going to divide the length into 2 equal parts. So it's going to be 6 inches at both sides. After that, I'm going to mark 2 inches from the middle line and slant it to the top of the bag at the 4 edges. Now I'm going to cut off the lines of Next guys, I'm gonna make a bottom cutout at the 4 sides close to the line of 1 by 1 inches. So guys, we're done cutting the body of our bag. Moving on, we're going to cut the band of our bag. So the band of our bag is 2.5 inches by 13.5 inches. and 13.5 inches is the size of our frame. So guys, if you're using a bigger frame, just use the size of the frame for the band of your bag, and I'm going to be cutting 2 of that. Our lining, the height is 6 inches and the width is 14.5 inches, and we're cutting 2 of that. Then we're going to make a cutout of 1 by 1 inch at the bottom edge of our lining. So guys, now we're done cutting our purse. We're moving on to the sewing of the bag. So guys, first of all, I'm meant to sew the D-ring, the chain holder, to the bag. So my customer doesn't want the bag to have a chain, so I won't be sewing that. But when making yours, if you want your bag to have a chain strap, you can just sew the holder like 3 inches from the edge. So guys, first of all, I'm going to be sewing the band to the front top edge of the body. I'm notching the middle point, then I'm going to clip my band in place and stitch at both the top and bottom side of the body. Next, I'm going to sew my lining to my body, right side together. Moving on guys, next we fold the body of our bag into 2 equal halves and we join the lining on top to meet and we stitch them together at both the left and the right side. After sewing the sides together, next we're going to stitch the bottom edges of our leather together at both the left and right hand side. Guys, don't forget to click on the subscribe button to get more updates from me. After that, we're going to sew the bottom of our lining. When stitching the bottom of your lining, we're going to leave a space to turn our back over to the front. And we're going to sew the bottom edges of our lining together and we're going to turn our back over to the right side through the hole we left open. So guys, now I'm going to close up the hole I opened to turn my bag over. After that guys, we're done sewing our bag. Next we're going to pass our frame through the band. So guys, I'm going to separate the frame through the side of the frame and pass it separately through the bag. So we've come to the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Hoping to see you in my next video. Have a lovely day ahead.